baking soda. Pour it.
Do not try this at home, please. We're experts.
No, we're not. Yes, we are. I'm just kidding.
Shit, we're out of baking soda. Okay, I guess we're not going to need this extra. Then you wrap it up like... Oh, God damn it, pass it. That. First.
Just wrap it.
I know, that's what I'm doing.
Looks like a baggie full of poop.
Just want to wrap it
up.
like that.
Yeah, don't put it in now.
I know, Dante. Okay, first is ready.
Looks like a
Now here's the biggest one. Look at that. It's about cocaine.
No, I'm just kidding. Mary Jane, marijuana. No, I'm just kidding.
Probably just gave them an idea, Dante.
I'm sorry. Don't do that.
Okay, now we're just gonna.
Kind of like
kind of heavy.
Okay, we're gonna pause it. Okay,
No,
how do
you can't pause it.
You can't shit.
Okay.
Ryan, hold the camera.
Okay, no, Dante. No, I know what to do. Okay.
Yes. Wrap it up.
Okay.
Okay, this
Now
one.
we're gonna have to wrap this one.
Like I always.
No, this one's good. This one's good.
But
It's small enough. Okay. So you're gonna wanna get it ready in here.